Today, I'm going to show you how to scrape Google Maps without paid APIs using n8n. And today, I'm going to show you how this workflow works, how to set it up, and how to use it. So let's get started. And guys, to start off, this is the whole entire workflow right here. As we see, we have a scheduled trigger. So when this workflow is activated every single hour of the day, it's going to execute the workflow, and then it's going to scrape Google Maps for some leads. And then it's going to extract all the URLs, analyze the whole entire website, and try to grab all the emails so it can get leads off Google Maps. And finally, after it does all that, it's going to add all the leads to a Google Sheet for us. And now that you guys know how it works, I'm going to show you how to set this all up. And it's actually super duper simple. So guys, to start off, go to n8n, and once you're inside of n8n, your workflow should look just like this, which is the first step. But to speedrun this whole entire process, I highly recommend you guys join my group down below. It's the first link in the description down below. You'll get access to this workflow plus all my other workflows for $1 that you can just download just like this. And after you download it, click these three dots in the top right of n8n, and then press import from file, and then double click on this JSON right here. And just like that, we just saved hours of work. And now all we have to do is connect our URL inside of here, and then connect our Google Sheets account right over here. And I'm going to show you guys how to set this all up right now. So to get started, if we double click on this scrape Google Maps node right here, there's a red box around the URL section, and this is where we're going to have to input the URL of the niche we want to scrape inside of Google Maps. So for this example, I'm just going to use Tomball, Texas childcare because I want to scrape for childcare centers emails inside of Tomball, Texas. And guys, after you searched up the location and the niche and then press enter, you want to go up here to the URL, and you're going to want to copy everything before this @ symbol right here. So I would just copy this and make sure you have the HTTPS as well selected, because if not, this will not work. So let's just paste that right there and press save. And we're actually almost done setting this up already, but now we have to go to Google Sheets, and we're gonna have to set up our Google Sheets. So to set up the Google Sheets, you literally just got to create a sheet and just keep it blank, because this workflow will automatically fill out everything and put all the emails in the A column right here, which you will see very soon. But now to connect it, what you're gonna have to do is double click on Google Sheets right here, and then go up here and press create new credentials, and then press sign in with Google right here, and then sign into the Google account that your Google Sheets is actually under. So I'm just gonna click this one. Then there should be 3 buttons you have to select, so select them all and then press continue. But after you do that, make sure your account's connected, and then go down here where it says document, and you're gonna have to choose the Google Sheets file that you just created. And in my case, it's called the lead scraper. So let's go back to n8n, and where it says from list, you're gonna want to select the lead scraper right here. And then for the sheet, you can find the sheet name down here in the bottom left corner. Mine just says sheet 1, so we're gonna click on sheet 1 and make sure it's selected as well. And perfect. Now guys, to actually make this workflow work, you're gonna want to save it, and after you save it, you're gonna want to activate the workflow up here in the top right. And now every single 1 hour of the day, it's gonna scrape all the Google Maps websites, and it's gonna put a whole entire lead list inside of your Google Sheet. And real quick, I'm going to show you how it actually works. So I'm going to execute the workflow right now. And as we see, the schedule trigger is triggered. It's scraping the maps right now, and it's looping like 10 times. And guys, you can change the amount it loops right here where it says limit. I have it set as 10 so it doesn't get rate limited, because this is checking every single website and scraping it for all the emails so it can contact them. And just like that, guys, out of the 10 websites it scraped, it found 3 emails. This will loop every single hour if we have it activated. But now if we check Google Sheets right here, we have all the emails in the A section. And as we see, we can literally just contact these guys and get free leads just like that. And guys, there are no API costs to this at all, which is great. And you can just have this workflow enabled if you're asleep or at work or anything. Honestly, I would just have this looping 24/7, because if not, you're just missing out on free leads. And once again, if you want to skip all the hard work, just press the first link in the description down below. And for $7, you'll be able to get this workflow plus all my other workflows. That will save you hours of work inside of n8n. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what video you want to see me make next. And I highly recommend you press this photo on the screen right now, and I'll see you all later. Peace out.